Humanity may have already created the most dangerous invention in history. Not a bomb, not a weapon, not a machine built for destruction, but something far more unpredictable. An intelligence that never sleeps, never forgets, never stops learning. Artificial intelligence. At first, AI looked harmless. Simple machines solving mathematical problems, programs answering questions, algorithms recommending videos online. But while humanity was distracted, artificial intelligence evolved rapidly, quietly, silently, and now, machines are beginning to perform tasks once believed impossible. They can write stories, create art, drive vehicles, recognize emotions, imitate human voices, generate realistic videos, make complex decisions, and every year, they become smarter, faster, more powerful. Some experts believe AI could become humanity's greatest tool. Others fear it could become humanity's greatest mistake. Because for the first time in Earth's history, humans are creating intelligence artificially, and nobody truly knows how far it can evolve. That uncertainty terrifies people. Because once intelligence begins improving itself, the future becomes impossible to predict. Humans have always been fascinated by artificial life. Ancient civilizations imagined mechanical servants and intelligent machines. Stories describe statues that moved on their own, machines that obeyed commands, artificial beings created by human hands. For centuries, these ideas remained fantasy. Then technology changed everything. The invention of computers transformed human civilization. Early computers were primitive by modern standards. Massive machines occupying entire rooms, slow, expensive, limited. Yet even these early systems amazed scientists, because machines could suddenly perform calculations faster than humans. And naturally, some researchers began asking dangerous questions. What if computers could eventually think? At the time, most people laughed at the idea. Human intelligence seemed unique. Consciousness felt impossible to replicate. Emotions, creativity, reasoning, those abilities appeared deeply human. But scientists continued experimenting. And gradually, machines became smarter. For centuries, computers only followed instructions. Humans programmed every action manually. Machines could not adapt independently. But eventually, researchers discovered something revolutionary. Machines could learn from data. This changed artificial intelligence perpetually. Instead of programming every behavior directly, scientists trained systems using enormous amounts of information. The more data AI received, the more patterns it recognized. And suddenly, machines began improving themselves through experience. This breakthrough triggered explosive growth. AI learned to recognize images, understand speech, translate languages, predict behavior, detect patterns humans missed. At first, these systems still seem limited, but behind the scenes, artificial intelligence was evolving rapidly, and most people had no idea how fast progress was happening. Then the internet changed everything. Humanity uploaded enormous amounts of information online: books, conversations, photos, videos, human opinions, personal behavior. The internet became humanity's digital memory, and AI systems learned from all of it. Every search, every click, every post, every interaction became training material. This allowed artificial intelligence to improve at unprecedented speed. Suddenly, machines could analyze billions of pieces of information instantly, and the more AI learned about humans, the more powerful it became. Then AI escaped laboratories completely. It entered daily life quietly. Most people didn't notice, but artificial intelligence began controlling recommendation algorithms, social media, feeds, navigation systems, financial markets, online shopping advertisements. Machines started influencing billions of human decisions every day. And humanity became dependent on systems most people barely understood. Then something happened that shocked the world. AI began outperforming humans. At first, it defeated chess champions, then strategy games, then complex calculations. But eventually, artificial intelligence moved beyond logic. It entered creativity itself. Machines started generating realistic paintings, music videos, voices writing digital art. The line between human creation and machine creation began disappearing. And suddenly, millions of people became afraid because humans always believed creativity belonged only to us. Now machines were learning that too. Workers across industries started worrying about replacement. Writers feared AI-generated content. Artists feared automated creativity. Programmers feared self-writing code. Drivers feared autonomous vehicles. Even experts became uncertain about the future, because unlike older machines, AI does not only replace physical labor, it threatens intellectual labor too. And every year, the technology becomes more advanced. Throughout history, technology transformed jobs repeatedly. Factories replaced manual workers. Industrial machines automated labor. But AI feels fundamentally different, because artificial intelligence challenges humanity's role itself. Humans dominated Earth because of intelligence. That was our advantage. But now, machines are beginning to compete intellectually, and corporations are moving quickly. AI systems can work continuously, instantly, globally, without salaries, without exhaustion. That creates enormous economic pressure. Companies increasingly automate tasks to reduce costs. And experts fear entire industries could transform rapidly. The psychological fear becomes intense. People ask, if machines can think, create, and work, what purpose remains for humans? That question creates deep existential anxiety, because humans are no longer only building tools. We are building systems capable of replacing human abilities themselves. Perhaps the most unsettling part of AI development is that many warnings come from the experts building it. Scientists and technology leaders increasingly express concern about advanced AI systems, not because they believe robots suddenly become evil, but because intelligence itself creates unpredictability. The smarter systems become, the harder they may become to fully control. This problem is known as alignment. How do humans guarantee artificial intelligence always acts in human interests? That question becomes terrifying, because AI systems may eventually make decisions too complex for humans to fully understand. Even today, some advanced AI models behave unpredictably. They sometimes generate surprising solutions humans never expected. And while that can be impressive, it also creates fear, because humans are gradually building systems whose internal reasoning may become impossible to fully explain. That means civilization could eventually depend on intelligence humans no longer completely understand. Then comes the most frightening possibility of all: superintelligence, an intelligence greater than humanity itself. If artificial intelligence someday surpasses human intelligence completely, history may change forever. For thousands of years, humans remained Earth's dominant species because of our minds. Not claws, not speed, not strength. Intelligence gave humanity power. But what happens if humans create something smarter than themselves? Some experts compare this possibility to humans creating a new digital species, a form of intelligence capable of improving itself endlessly. And once systems begin redesigning themselves independently, progress could accelerate beyond human control. This idea terrifies experts because humans have never faced a superior intelligence before. And if superintelligent systems emerge, humanity may lose its position as the smartest intelligence on Earth. That possibility feels deeply unsettling psychologically because humans are not used to sharing control. Artificial intelligence is already transforming society rapidly. Deepfake technology can imitate real people convincingly. AI-generated videos blur reality itself. False information spreads faster than humans can verify it. And online, people increasingly struggle to determine what is real. This may become one of AI's most dangerous long-term effects, not destruction, confusion. A world where reality becomes uncertain, where trust becomes fragile, where digital systems manipulate attention constantly. And psychologically, human brains were never designed for this environment. Social media algorithms already influence emotions, behavior, and opinions daily. AI amplifies that influence dramatically. Because intelligent systems optimize human attention better than humans themselves. And the longer people interact with AI-driven platforms, the more those systems shape society invisibly. As AI becomes more advanced, civilization becomes more dependent on it. Transportation, medicine, communication, business, education, military systems, financial networks. Modern society increasingly relies on intelligent algorithms, and dependence creates vulnerability. Because if humans eventually cannot function efficiently without AI assistance, control begins shifting slowly toward machines, not through war, not through violence, but through convenience. Humans naturally depend on systems that make life easier, and artificial intelligence may eventually become so integrated into civilization that turning it off becomes impossible. That possibility frightens many experts deeply because dependence can happen gradually, almost invisibly. Artificial intelligence terrifies humanity because it forces humans to confront an uncomfortable possibility. Maybe intelligence is not uniquely human. After all, for the first time in history, humans are creating minds capable of learning independently. And nobody truly knows where this path ends. Maybe AI becomes humanity's greatest invention. Maybe it cures diseases, solves climate problems, transforms civilization positively. Or maybe humans have already started building something beyond their control, something that evolves faster than human society can adapt. And if that happens, the future of humanity may change forever.